Hey, buddy. What's up?
You do the broom broom.
Yeah, broom broom.
Can you do it?
Can I do it?
Yeah, can you do it?
Just a moment. Let me. I'm just speaking to the camera there. Once I'm done, I can put it broom broom. Okay? Yeah. So the next stop is the Charter Towers, and that sounds like a bigger town. So I'm gonna try and stay there for the night. It's about 170 kilometers from here. So before the sun sets, I should be able to make it there. So we have a request today to make the bike go broom broom. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, here we go. It's not very loud. It's not very loud. Don't cover your ears. Alright, so I press it. Oh, that's not very loud. That's not very loud. Sorry, what? Just a second.
You dare do it again. I was doing right now. That's wrong. I'm like an old man.
That's not very loud. Alright, bye.
Bye.
Bye.